Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video here on the Noble Motorsport channel. Today we're going to talk about the future of this car. What will the future hold? What cool things are we going to put in place? We're going to upgrade this car, both in terms of the engine and also the aesthetics. Let's get started by showing you some of the accessories that I'll be adding to this car. We're interested in adding the side skirts from the US3R. It looks pretty cool. I'll show you a photo of the side skirt. A lot of people have been asking about the virtual cockpit. A lot of people want it. As soon as the dollar price goes down, we will buy it, we'll do the installation. There will also be sales for you in the virtual cockpit, but not yet. In addition to the virtual cockpit, another future project is to change the steering wheel of this car. Maybe we'll put one from the RS3 or TTRS to make the steering wheel 100% functional. Along with the steering wheel and the side skirt, we intend to add some other options like a fully functional virtual cockpit and plug A&M Play to this car. We'll also mess around with some engine things. The idea is to do a remap for alcohol on the E85, as you guys already know. We're going to change the car's spark plugs too and also do a suspension job. Add some prepared shock absorbers. Right now this car only has springs, but we want to add prepared shock absorbers to this car so we can ride low but with even more comfort than what we already have. Okay? So these are the future projects, a quick update, a short and easy video for you to know what the future updates will be on the Audi A3 Cool. So like, share, subscribe to the channel, leave your comment here about which of the accessories we already have or which ones we are going to add. Let us know which ones you are most interested in us adding to this car first so you can see the installation and it working perfectly.